I've always wanted to be a boarder. You learn how to be independent, you learn a lot of very valuable life lessons and values.
It did feel quite daunting at first. It was my first time boarding and leaving my parents as well, but I settled in pretty quickly.
The community is very welcoming. All the people are super friendly.
It feels great to have so much independence.
Getting used to my own rhythm of living. We have 6 boarding houses and 5 day houses.
Each house kind of has their own personality.
The house spirit was really shining through for us.
The different year groups have their own rooms.
You have your own wardrobe, your own desk. The beds are very comfy to really make it feel like home.
Become very close friends with the people you share a room with.
Feels like having sleepover every day with your friends.
It's slightly different with sixth formers because we all get our individual rooms.
And then you can kind of just accessorize and add whatever you want, decorate it with your own posters and things.
I have a lot of fairy lights in my room. I just love having my own personal space.
At the same time, you walk out your room and there's other people around you.
A really nice community for when you need it, and you can talk to your friends and reach out.
Last year when I was struggling a bit with my maths, one of the older students helped me.
The older students sometimes see a part in themselves in the younger students.
So they take you under their wing.
There's a lot of different people you can speak to if you have problems. All the houses have matrons, and she baked us cakes on our birthday,
And we're all saying happy birthday to them.
You can literally hear Big Ben in the morning.
the school kind of wakes up about 8 o'clock.
You kind of have your own time in the morning.
I go to St. James's Park for a run.
Everyone's out and about, getting breakfast, out with some friends, maybe play some ping pong.
And then day pupils come in. We do registration. On Mondays and Fridays, we have Westminster Abbey services. And we have lessons.
Everyone's usually got a smile on their face.
Break time, lunchtime, and we have tea after school, a piece of cake or cookies.
And maybe some sort of other extracurricular activity.
After school, we're able to change clothes, something comfier. We can go outside, play football in the yard, go to the library. We can go to the sports centre or whatever you'd like to do.
It's great to live in the centre of London as well. It's at the heart of everything. Recently, I went to South Bank with my friends and we went to a slam poetry event.
You are in this really massive, functioning metropolitan city.
It's right at your fingertips.
And then dinner.
You can make your own dinner if you want to, but school dinners are really good.
The quality of the food is really high. There's a really wide range of meals.
And from 7:15 to 9, we have prep time. We can go to the library or stay in our rooms to study independently. We have registration at 10 p.m, after which we can stay up a little bit late working, but also we can just go to our friends' rooms to have a chat before we sleep.
We're all kind of living together throughout the week.
There's a lot of laughter.
It's definitely a second family.
If you're thinking about boarding, then definitely do.
Creating your own life is very special.
Great way to bridge that gap between uni and high school.
They allow you to grow to be the best person you can be.